It is the mantra of the president's recalibrated government platform that sums up the theme of inclusivity defining his Bagong Pilipinas movement. Nobody outside the lines, no one left behind. And if the presidential assistance to farmer, fisherfolk, and families in need program is by itself a generous offering that covers the hard-hit sectors ravaged by El Nino, then the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair is the huge follow-up act that covers all sectors the PAFFF left out and government's assistance program on steroids. Armela Las Moras has the full story.
For this year, economic and social services were allocated almost 70% of the national budget. Sa ating pagtahak sa kaunlaran, walang mamamayang Pilipino ang maiiwanan.
During his second State of the Nation address in 2023, one of the promises President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. made was that they will further intensify the delivery of various social services to the Filipino people. After a year, what were just once dreams now turned into reality. September 2023, President Marcos led the official launching of the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair in Nabua, Camarines Sur. This has been the largest service caravan in the history of the Philippines, featuring various forms of assistance, programs and services from the government.
Tinipon namin ang iba't ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan upang sama-samang maghatid sa inyo ng mga benepisyong magpapagaan sa inyong mga kalagayan. Ang programang ito ay isa lamang sa mga unang hakbangin na pamahalaan upang magkaroon ng bagong pag-asa at bagong simula ang mga Pilipino.
In the past months, the BPSF caravan has visited different parts of the country, bringing millions of pesos worth of assistance from the government. The lawmakers from the House of Representatives have always been supportive of this program, spearheaded by House Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa kang President Marcos kasi nabigyan po kami, nakasali kami rito. Maraming salamat po sa iyong binibigay na tulong sa aming mahihirap. Maraming salamat.
Alongside this, the administration also focused on addressing hunger. In October 2023, the President signed Executive Order No. 44 establishing the Walang Gutom 2027 food stamp program as one of the government's flagship programs. Under the measure, the Chief Executive directed the DSWD to oversee the delivery of appropriate assistance and nutritious food to the beneficiaries to fight hunger in the country. Even before the issuance of the EO, Malacanang had also organized a kick-off activity for this initiative in Manila.
This is the continuing part of all that we have tried to do so as to be able to achieve yung tinatawag na walang gutom. And that is the dream of this administration. That is what we are hoping to achieve in this administration.
In addition, just this April, the administration also strengthened its cooperation with the World Food Program to further address not only hunger but malnutrition as well. Alongside all of these efforts, President Marcos Jr. also enacted new laws aimed at strengthening the administration's social services to help improve the lives of each and every Filipino, like Republic Act No. 11962 or Trabaho para sa Bayan Act, Republic Act No. 12006 or the Free College Entrance Examinations Act, and the Republic Act No. 11982 to benefit certain groups in the senior citizen sector. Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.